Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. Today I want to show you how to unlock your Google Pixel 8 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your phone app. From here, make sure you're on the dialer and you're going to type in *#06 and pound. That's going to show us our IMEI information, and you'll want to write down this first number you see at the top here. That's going to be your IMEI number. From there, we're going to hit the home button, and then we're going to go to the Google Chrome app, to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. Starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Google. The model is going to be the Pixel 8. And then we're going to tap the unlock phone button. Give it a few seconds. It's going to ask you a few more questions. Hey, what country did you purchase the phone in? United States. What carrier? Carrier is going to be AT&T. From here, it's going to give you a price. It's going to give you an average delivery turnaround time. And so that's basically from when you put the order in, how much time it's going to take for them to respond with the current unlocking instructions on how to unlock your phone. Keep in mind that every carrier has a different unlocking process, and the process does update from time to time. So that's why they give you an average or an estimated time for when you get those instructions. In the IMEI box here, you'll want to type in that number we got in the first step of the video, and you'll want to tap the Add to Cart button, and then you'll want to check out and pay that price right there. Now, a couple of disclaimers I want to mention. If you owe money on your phone, this is not the right process for you. This process is not going to help you if you still owe a balance on your phone. This will also not work if the phone you're holding was reported stolen. So those are two instances where if that has happened, this service is not going to be able to help you unlock the phone to use it with other carriers. So just keep that in mind, all right? Now, at the top of the screen, I want to point out a couple of important points. Now, these are 4 different methods you have to contact the company if you have an issue with your order, or if you've gone past that delivery window and you need to follow up with the company. You've got a number to call, a number to text, an email address, and a WhatsApp number. So that's one of the reasons why I love this company. You have many different ways to contact them if you have an issue. And they're super responsive and committed to help you get your phone unlocked. And in most cases, if they can't unlock it, they will give you a refund. So again, love that about the company as well. Now, the last things you'll need to do once your phone is unlocked, make sure you get a SIM card for the new service you want to use the phone with. You'll simply need to pop out your old SIM card and put in that new SIM card. And at that point, your phone should be ready to go to use it with another carrier. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.